Elena sits by her bedroom window in her humble countryside home, waving gently as the morning sun illuminates her hopeful face. She leans over a worn wooden desk, focused intently on her textbooks, while the soft light highlights her determination. She helps her parents by organizing old jars in their modest, dimly lit but clean kitchen, maintaining her cheerful smile. She stands before a community bulletin board, her eyes widening as she reads a flyer for a prestigious national scholarship. She walks down a dirt path toward school, her backpack heavy, but her step light and full of purpose. In the local library, Elena is surrounded by tall stacks of books, her face glowing under a small reading lamp. She stands at a chalkboard, quickly solving a complex equation as her teacher and classmates look on in awe. She works at a small village flower shop, carefully arranging a bouquet to earn extra money for her university applications. Late at night, Elena is seen writing an essay by the soft glow of a candle, her face showing signs of fatigue but persistent resolve. She stands by the mailbox as the mailman hands her a thick white envelope with a prestigious seal. Elena opens the letter and covers her mouth in shock, tears of happiness welling in her large brown eyes. She packs her few belongings into a small old suitcase, including her favorite cream sweater which she is wearing. Elena stands at the city train station, looking up at the towering glass skyscrapers with wonder and courage. She sits in a modern, high-tech lecture hall, her cream sweater standing out against the sleek, dark furniture as she takes notes. In a lab, Elena discovers a breakthrough in her research, pointing excitedly at a glowing monitor. She stands on a stage before a panel of wealthy investors, presenting her final project with confidence. She holds her first professional contract, her face beaming with the realization that her life has changed forever. She looks at her phone, seeing a confirmation that a large sum of money has been sent to her parents. She stands on a balcony overlooking the city, the wind blowing through her brown bob hair as she looks back on her journey. She looks directly at the viewer, raising one hand in a friendly wave, just as she did in the beginning, but with a new air of triumph.